Hey guys, Shannon with Shannon's Garage, and I just wanted to show you I got the new boat in. I went ahead and bought another boat and the board for the one that broke. But so this one's pretty much ready to go now. First thing I did was tear it apart, but I just want to let you guys check it out. This one will be running on probably Sunday or Saturday. And this is the setup with the deeper. So hopefully I find something like that. I think I will. Yeah, I got to set up on a tripod and everything. So anyway, check it out. I probably should have videos by the end of this week. Gonna take her out on the water and try it again. So wish me luck. Thanks. Alright guys, it's Shannon with Shannon's Garage, and it's 12:45. Weather finally warmed up outside. It's about 53 degrees right now, so I think we're good there. Gonna go take that boat out, man. Try it again. The new boat that I got, well, with any luck, it's a lot better than the last one. The last one I found out had upgraded controls, and whoever did it was probably doing it out of their garage or something. Somehow got a contract with Walmart, and that's who I ended up getting it from. Man, these people are just driving 1 mile an hour. I ain't got no time for that shit. These people are going to slow down to 1 mile an hour too. Any rate, so they had upgraded controls, which, okay, you know, think that'd be good, but the truth is whoever put it together didn't put it together very well, or there was just a problem with the board, you know, coming out of China or whatever, because like I said, it would power up and act like it was going to work just fine, and then really wasn't a distance issue as much as it was just a time issue. After it be on for so long, I guess something would overheat or fuck, who knows. But anyway, so I got the new stuff for that one coming. But this boat right here is actually, looks like it's a few years older. It's like new old stock. So it's got a different controller altogether. Kind of an older school model, really, but shit, I don't care as long as the motherfucker works. I mean, I was gonna put that shit on my Spectrum, but I couldn't make it work because they're electric motors. I don't have no speed controllers. I gave the other boats that had speed controllers to the kids across the street, so you know, I could have used those out of that. Probably made everything work, but I didn't have them no more, and I wasn't gonna be an Indian giver and go tell the kids, hey, I gotta take those fucking boats back. I just gave you guys about a month ago. But anyway, so I'll be pulling up here at the lake pretty soon. Got about another few blocks, and then I'll get out, get set up, and I got a cool surprise. So stay tuned. It's cool. All right, so guys, I'm just starting to get set up here. Again, this is attempt number 2 or 3, really, with this boat. I took it out one time knowing it was broke. I've got the tablet set up here. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see that. The sun is, you know, it's kind of bright, so it's kind of reflecting off of everything. Maybe we want to probably try to buy some blinders for this, although it doesn't really look like it'd help. I don't know what would help. But any rate, we'll work on that. We'll deal with that problem later. But the cool thing that I got going on, let me get the boat out. The cool thing that I got going on today is that you guys are going to take a ride along with the boat. So I've attached this camera up here, and once I get this thing in here, you guys will just be able to ride around, and I'm going to do another video from this up here. So let me get this all done, set up. It's almost ready, but give me just a couple minutes. Okay, here goes nothing. See what happens. I think I should just go slow, or should I just take off out the back?
Go slow, see if she's reading right.
Well, it's got to get out there about 3 or 4 feet before it can go. This is what I'm worried about.
Put your fucking 200 horse on there and slide it out there.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Oh my God.
All right, Mr. Engineer, you see all that flush coming up?
Huh?
You're losing power when you got all that flush coming out of that motor.
Yeah, that's perfect, man. What are you talking about?
You need that prop down in that water so she grip the water. She's good throwing shit up in the air. Mr. Engineer.
I got it different. Whatever, Randy.
That car kept going? That road, I thought that road was closed last time I was up here.
That's all I can say. You just watch.
Well, I can't pick up the GoPro to see what it's doing, but I'm curious.
Then if there's a problem, it's raining.
Oh, no. Oh yeah. I'm picking up shit right now.
You need to mount one of those spear guns in the front of it, and then you can shoot them.
Yeah, right. About 12 foot deep right there. Might be a little too fast for it, to be honest with you. Still about 12 feet right there. It ain't that deep. Probably gonna get to a spot out here so far that's gonna drop way off, I bet. So far it looks like my line's towing okay.
Yeah.
Almost a little scared to fucking release that bait, you know?
Well, we should do a kayak in the back of my truck just for shits and grits.
Yeah, it's starting to drop off now, Randy. 17, 18, 19. $21. Yeah, so far. Still ain't showed no signs of any fish. I'm gonna park there for a second, bring this over here and take a look at it. Oh, there's a fish right there. Oh, that's a big old monster right there, Randy. Look. Right underneath me, dude. I'm dropping it.
What'd you drop? The line?
Yeah.
What you got baited on?
Huh?
Let me see.
It's the squid bits. Look at that. See? 27 feet all the way down to the bottom, dude.
taking his shoes off
Here.
and go in.
Here. It's recording right now.
Alright. He's back with a bit.
Huh? I know, I see him. I've been working him back and forth over here for a
He
minute.
started down at my truck.
Keep him away from them fucking trees, man. If I was you.
He's fucking weird, man.
He said he was 4 foot. It's been over 45 minutes. No, I'm not.
I believe it,
I've
dude.
talked a little bit.
I caught a 20-pound carp, and it took me over 45 minutes to land that fucking.
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything. He's just sitting there trying to pull me out.
What if he's got you wrapped around something?
He don't. He'll swim all the way out over to here almost.
Yeah, keep him over this way if I was you.
There's trees right here I'm trying to stay away from. See him? So he'll swim all the way over here, but once he gets up
He's
close to
gonna
the
tell you
sledge,
shut
watch.
up. He done
Watch
told
what
me
he
to
does.
shut up.
He gets up here close to the sledge, he takes off. Yeah. You don't want to come up that ledge right there. He's big. I guess I'm just gonna go and fucking snatch his ass out of the water from his gills.
Go towards him, wind it, and then pull back a little
Yeah,
bit.
he's got too much pressure. See? It's like, idiot. This is big, man. This is a monster.
Yeah, Carl.
This is a fish I've been waiting
Hey, you
to catch. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to uncover the boat. Take it out. We're going to take this and the RC boat out today. Try to compare like the GPS and the sonar signals, and just kind of get an overview. Plus, I think the little boat can probably go places that this can't, which will be should be a big advantage actually out on the water. I can tell you this much so far with the RC boat. It's a huge advantage because you can see all the depths. You can see the big fish down there. So far it's an A+. Like I said, we're gonna take it out. I've got a few things I want to do. I bought a GPS speedometer for this. I'm gonna put it in, and a handful of other things that need to be done. So let me get this tidied up, and I'll be back with you. Hey guys, so check us out. Here's the two, man. I ain't really seeing anything. This thing is really hard to see, but yeah, we ain't seeing shit. Not here in this cove, but I'm gonna troll back up and see what we can see. I think it's too shallow. It's 13 feet. Nothing here. This one's showing a bunch of shit down at the bottom, but I don't know. Also, I forgot to say, this is how I got the Flytech hooked up. I just got it rigged up to a pole. I'm just towing it around, really. I could drive it, but, you know, it's kind of windy today, so, and then I just trolling it around, so. Well, it's got to get out there